Adventures. Eric is driving again. I'm in the passenger seat. We have decided just on this Sunday to go for a nice little ride out in the woods. Well, technically down to Hocking Hills area.
We're going to be in the woods in a little bit here. We're going to do a little bit of an evening run up the Waterfall Trail. Haven't taken Sueno on this big of a off-road trail yet, and it's not a difficult trail. It's pretty easy, but we'll see how she does.
What we ended up doing was finding that there was nothing going on this weekend. Absolutely, positively nothing. And to give you a little insight into my life, I am a field trainer, so I am constantly on the road. I have been away from home for over 2 weeks now and finally got back to Ohio, so this one is a little happy about that.
Yeah.
Okay, like I said, just a little happy. I think he's past it. I think he's ready to get me back on the road, but I'm not traveling for a couple more weeks. So we just took the time to chill a little bit and look through what is coming up. So we will be letting you guys know everything that is coming up in the next couple of weeks. I know I'm excited, especially for the Jeeps Only Toys for Tots run. We're going to be going inside of the Goodyear blimp hangar. That is the coolest thing to me.
Yes, that is going to be very, very cool.
So
we're working on, we're trying to arrange a special little surprise. If we can get it to happen, you'll see it in the video that we make for that event. So that's just a little teaser. We're not going to say what we're doing, but if we can make it happen, it'll be pretty cool.
Fingers crossed we can make it happen. I've got some faith in us. What do you think, Eric?
I hope. We'll see what happens.
He hopes. I know.
I'm not being rude. We're driving through winding roads here, so I've got to keep my eyes on the road.
Yeah, he can just take that angle. So we want to hear a little bit more about what's coming up. If any organizations want to give us their information, please let us know. We will happily cover them. I do know we have a couple of parades coming up with my Amerifest Queens, and this lovely guy right here will be driving the trailer with them, so we will take video from there as well.
Yep.
And enjoy what little bits of scenery we're getting today. Waterfall. My husband wants to come up it again. I'm freaking out. Enjoy my freak out. let's take a look at the aftermath. This is what has happened as we go through waterfalls, puddles, and whatnot. Dirt and mud galore. As you see, it has come up. Eric is now working to re-engage the sway bars. He had to let them go in order for them to allow us to, what is it? Flex. Yeah, that's it. That's the word. So yeah, as he's busy getting that done, I'm busy observing what he had a lot of fun with. As you can tell, it's gotten all over. She's getting so dirty. Anybody who is a detailer and wants to give us a great deal and free publicity, please feel free to reach out.
Bounce a little bit.
So, right now, just to give an idea, I am standing...
Okay, you're squaring a little buddy and doing it.
I am standing on the... What am I standing on?
The bumper.
I'm standing on the bumper, trying to give a little bit of extra oomph to push this down.
This is the one time it sucks that you lost weight. Because
I guess I'm not helpful because I was supposed to help and be heavy enough, and I'm not heavy enough. So, welcome to my world, but I'm okay with this. Ah! So here's the aerial view, and I'm coming down right now. Thanks, Eric. You managed to pull me down somehow.
a little mud. It was fun though. Did the waterfall as you saw. It was figures. The first time we went up it when she wasn't filming, it went right up. The second time it slid on me and fought a little bit, but she needs a lift. She needs some ground clearance, but that's in the works.
So then let me ask, which waterfall did we go through?
It's just called the Waterfall Trail down here in Vinton County.
And how did we find that?
Onyx Off-Road used that map to get us here. And I knew about the trail because I came here with a friend a while ago with his, and I brought Nightmare down here. So, but it's a fun little, it's about as challenging as this thing can handle at stock ride height. So. Hey everybody, we are wrapped up for the night. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us on the ride to Waterfall Trail, or Waterfall Trail, yeah.
Yeah, it's a Waterfall Trail. I promise you said it right.
So, it was fun. Sueno definitely, I could see where her her points are. She needs some lift. She needs some more belly clearance, that kind of thing. But she'll get there.
She's dirty.
But yeah, it was a good time. You know, went and picked up a trailer for the parade. Brought it back home with us. So we'll have that coming up in our next week's video.
We will be in a lot of Christmas parades coming up. Yep. We have one on November 24th in Akron, Ohio. And then we have another one December 1st. And that one is in Grove City. December 2nd, like I said, I'm so excited about this one, Eric. It is the Jeep's Only Toys for Tots 2023 event.
Yes.
That's going to be in Mogadore, Ohio. They are meeting at Suffield Elementary School. And this is the coolest part to me, is we're actually going to be going into the Goodyear blimp hangar.
Yes, yes. So anybody that lives in that area that knows Akron at all, you've seen either pictures or seen in person from a mile, 2 miles away, the blimp hangar. It is infamous. It's been there for forever. I grew up in that area. I've always heard the stories about how big it is and everything, and they never let cars drive inside it, except this time.
That is so cool to me. And we're getting a police escort in.
Yep. And all the Jeeps are going to actually drive into the hangar and donate the toys for Toys for Tots. So
now the other fun part is pay attention to a lot of the Jeep clubs out there, because they're doing the convoy to the blimp hangar, or the convoy to the convoy to the blimp hangar.
Or the convoy to the convoy to the convoy to the convoy to the convoy.
There's a lot of convoys, but the big point is we are trying to collect a lot of toys for Toys for Tots. We're excited. We did put out a video short, so if anybody cannot attend and they want to have us pick up a toy for them, please feel free to drop a comment below. I will send you my Venmo or Cash App. We will get that over. I'm going to actually recognize one of our donors now, Renee Shaw. She is Ms. Great Lakes Woman Amerifest, one of my queens. She has graciously donated some money so we could pick up some toys. So thank you, Renee.
Very cool. Thanks, Renee. Yeah, if you want to donate a toy and you're in the Central Ohio area, drop a comment or PM us on Facebook, and we'll arrange pickup from you for that, or drop off, whatever. Or if you can't make it with an actual toy, if you want to donate money, we'll go buy toys with the money that's donated, and you know, it'll be on the video. You'll get your name on the end of the next video that you donated and all that stuff. So yeah, it's definitely a great cause. We're excited to be part of it.
Oh yeah.
Can't wait to do that. And yeah. So anything else that you want to, is there anything else upcoming that you want to talk about?
There is a lot of stuff coming up very soon. There is another parade, I guess. There's also a parade in Washington Courthouse this weekend, this Sunday, the 26th, I believe it is.
It's the Christmas parade in Washington Courthouse with Grinch. So anybody that's in the Jeeping community in Ohio has probably seen the Grinch Jeep. I believe they're the ones that are putting on this parade. So we may be able to make it down there. We're going to be kind of tight between being up in Cleveland and Akron and all that stuff. So if we can make it, we'll be down there. We'll get some footage and throw that in the next video too. But
that's what we do best.
Oh yeah.
We just drive and travel and drive and travel in a week.
1,500 miles in a week. I mean, come on.
Oh, no big deal. I mean, that's a norm for us.
But so yeah, other than that, I think that's it for us for this one, right?
That is for this one.
So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And have a 4x fun day. See you guys.
Bye.